Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell about my blog. It is located at blog.qualitypointtech.com. Okay. Actually, I have been using this blog for many years. I started this in the year 2008 itself, and I added a lot of content here about software testing, automation, PHP, MySQL development, and emerging technologies related things, and company updates, timesheet related releases, a lot of things I shared in this blog. Okay. But recently I changed my focus towards various other things like running my YouTube channel and motivational websites and news website. I created a lot of other things, so I spend very little time for this. But in the past 2 months, I again started putting a lot of content here. If you see this, you can see the March month itself, I added 55 posts, right? Mostly related to artificial intelligence. Okay. Recently, I released AI course, right? So for promoting that kind of purpose, I started using my blog again. Okay. In the February month itself, 66 posts. Okay. And I'm planning to add more content in the coming days also, but the look and feel, everything is in the old way, right? Because it is using old blogger blog. I just like I cannot change the theme because a lot of other posts are using JavaScript and a lot of other things are there because I was using it for many years, right? I included inline codings and a lot of other things. Even for example, in case of GK quiz, millions of people viewed that. That page is having JavaScript, okay, in the content itself. Okay, so I don't want to spend time in testing these things again and fixing the things. Okay, so I thought of keeping it as it is. Okay, and I feel comfortable in using this blogger blog, so I don't see any major problem. So I thought of keeping it as it is, though the look and feel is not that much good. Okay. But anyway, some features wise, it needed some improvements. So I thought of fixing them by making corrections in the Blogger HTML code itself. So yesterday I spent significant time for making those corrections. So one correction is in the home page. Previously it was showing full content. Okay. So it is difficult to get some overview about the blog, right? So I just made it to show only the snippet and then read more link. Okay. Actually, previously also many years back I put like that only, but because of some issues, it seems it changed in this way. Okay, it got changed in this way. Now I updated the code and I removed a lot of unnecessary codes also. Okay, so it might be causing some other error. So if you find any error, just let me know. I'll be trying to fix that. Okay, and I made this homepage correction. Not only homepage, any kind of label, other things, it will be using the same code. Okay, so that corrections are applied to year based here. Suppose I click year or category, so the same behavior. Okay, I added a piece of code for showing this related post. Okay, that is one thing. This one also I included this feature by making editing of the template code itself. Okay, I don't want to use any kind of third party widgets. Okay, and another key thing is this search feature. It was not previously, it was not working on mobile, so I made it to work on the mobile also. Okay, so just check these details. If you find any issue, just let me know. And other than that, if any other additional issues are there because of these corrections, just let me know. And personally, I'm using it for getting traffic to my products. Previously, it helped me to sell my software testing ebook. Okay, and then I used it for selling my timesheet software, and now I am planning to use it for selling my AA course. Okay, I added a lot of content, and I will be updating this blog with a lot of AI related things. Okay, I keep on learning AI and I keep on exploring latest AI related innovations, and I'll be sharing my thoughts here. Okay, thanks for watching this video.